Well, the next big sector to report latest quarterly earnings this season will be the oil majors, with demand so low and oil prices sliding nearly 60% over just the past 7 months. What should investors expect from the energy sector? Jackie DeAngelis has a preview.
Earnings season, kind of like the Super Bowl on Wall Street. We've heard from the banks and some big names in tech. But what will energy companies have to say now that oil's trading around $45 a barrel? It all kicks off tomorrow with ConocoPhillips, Occidental Petroleum, Valero, Phillips 66, and Royal Dutch Shell. To close the week, we'll hear from Chevron on Friday, and next week, ExxonMobil picks it up on Monday with a report from BP on Tuesday. There's no doubt that analysts will be looking for energy companies to cut costs and increase efficiency to help the bottom line, but will it be enough?
I think cost cutting will absolutely be a main theme of this earnings cycle. Right now we're seeing estimates on the range of 10 to 20% reductions in service costs.
The Street estimates overall we'll see roughly 5% earnings growth in the fourth quarter of 2014, but also projecting that energy will be the worst performer, with a drop in earnings around 20%. And one of the other concerns, job cuts in 2015. With oil prices declining and rigs shutting down, will more companies announce layoffs?
I think headcount reductions are all but inevitable at this point, just given the severity of the downturn, the severity of CapEx budget reductions. We're talking of about hundreds of millions, billions of dollars that won't be spent this year.
And what will management say about oil prices? Will they decline further, and how long will they stay depressed? Goldman Sachs is already calling for $40 oil before they expect prices to rebound in the back half of the year.
The lower we go, I think the only certainty is the harder we're going to snap back towards a marginal cost of production over time.
Shares of energy companies have already taken a hit. The sector is the second to worst performer on the S&P 500 year to date, down 4%. Financials down slightly more, but they've already reported. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jackie DeAngelis.